Electric charge. Electric charge is a property of any material object by virtue of which that object can exert a force, electrical force, on another charged material object and respond to the electrical force. Demonstration of presence of electric charges. Experiment 1. Electric charge can be acquired by the bodies like glass rod and plastic rod on account of rubbing. When two glass rods are rubbed with silk cloth, then they acquire some electric charge. If these two glass rods are brought close to each other, then they repel each other. This shows that the charges acquired by the glass rods are the same. Similarly, when two plastic rods are rubbed with cat fur and brought close to each other, then they repel each other. This shows that charges acquired by the plastic rods are also the same. But when one of the glass rod is brought close to one of the plastic rods, then they attract each other. This shows that the charges acquired by the glass rods and plastic rods are different.